Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite channel, My Good Health. Today, we are going to see how to control diabetes. In today's life, to control diabetes is very important as diabetes is a big risk factor which weaken your immunity and that can lead to various infections. But as we all are locked down in various ways and to control diabetes in this situation is a big problem in front of many people. And that's why we will see how to control your diabetes in more scientific way. Friends, in first part we will see what is diabetes, what are various types of diabetes, how and why people get diabetes, and when a person is called as diabetic. Diabetes is usually a lifelong disease in which there is a high level of sugar in the blood, and that high blood sugar level damages many organs in the body. In today's date, more than 465 million people in the world are suffering from diabetes. Means in every 10 persons, one person is suffering from diabetes. Let us see what happens in the diabetes. When food is digested, a glucose enters into the bloodstream. After that, an organ called the pancreas makes insulin. Insulin moves glucose from the bloodstream into the muscle, fat and liver, where glucose can be used as a fuel. In diabetics, pancreas does not make enough insulin, or body cells do not respond to insulin well. That's why people with diabetes have high blood sugar as their body cannot move sugar into fat, liver and muscles. And this prolonged and uncontrolled blood sugar can lead to serious problems like eye problems, painful sores and infections of the leg or foot, nerve damage, kidney problems, weakened immune system, heart attack and stroke. Now we will see what are the types of diabetes. Broadly there are three types: type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes and gestational diabetes. Type 1 diabetes account for 5% of all diagnosed cases of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is usually diagnosed in children and young adults. People with type 1 diabetes must use insulin as they lack insulin in their body. Type 2 diabetes account for about 95% of all cases of diabetes and usually diagnosed in adults. Third type is gestational diabetes, which is diagnosed in 2 to 10% of pregnant women. It often goes away after pregnancy, but about half of all women who have gestational diabetes during pregnancy get type 2 diabetes in the future life. Our next question is, how and why people get diabetes? People get diabetes because of multiple factors like family history. Type 2 diabetes has a stronger link to family history than type 1 diabetes. And studies of twins have shown that genetic factors play a very strong role in the development of type 2 diabetes. If any person's father, mother, sister or brother is suffering from diabetes, then there is a high chance of development of diabetes in that person. Other factors like environmental factors, sedentary lifestyle, both contribute in the development of diabetes. Obesity and physical inactivity are also the big risk factors for diabetes. So, people with obesity and living with sedentary lifestyle are at a high risk for diabetes. Insulin resistance, medicines like steroids, pancreatitis and other health conditions can also lead to diabetes. When a person is called as diabetic, as per the definition of WHO, a person with blood glucose level of greater than or equal to 126 mg per deciliter after an 8 hours of fasting, or random blood glucose level greater than or equal to 200 mg per deciliter, or a blood glucose level of greater than or equal to 200 mg per deciliter 2 hours after the meal. or an HbA1c greater than or equal to 6.5% is called as diabetics. So friends, this is the diabetes. In next video, we will see what are the warning signs and symptoms of diabetes, which will be the part 2 of how to control diabetes. Till the time, take care and thanks a lot. Regards, Dr. Sachin Nikam.